Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2026 Santa Fe. Style, quality, performance, value. Need we say more? This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, remote engine start, keyless entry, power lift gate, navigation system, all-wheel drive, power passenger seat, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, stability control. Escape the mundane and embrace the thrill of a lifetime behind the wheel.